In this video, we will learn a cool way to animate a logo for a beautiful opening or closing slides using PowerPoint. So, let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Picture and insert picture from this device and then change into full screen now. Go to Insert, click on Icon, search Bird here. Select this and insert it. Go to Graphic Fill, select Color. Increase icon size a bit. Click on right button. Duplicate the slide. Zoom out the slide. Select icon and increase the icon size like this. Add text box for slide title. Go to first slide. Click on right button. Duplicate the slide. Shift to slide to third position. Go to second slide. Select text box. Copy it and go to first slide. Paste here. Make font size as 1. Go to third slide and paste text box here also and make font size as 1. Now select second and third slide. Go to transition, select morph and increase duration size also. Now go to full screen and look at this great opening slide. It's amazing and very easy to create. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. Thank you.